Welcome to Major Lutie's assembly instruction. Major Lutie PLM03 is divided into 3 packages when delivered to your home and in different sizes with professional wrappings. Open the package. You can see the PLM03 parts are neatly arranged in the box. Easy for users to take out the parts and inventory. As we take out the parts of the rack, you will see a layered structure in the box to allow customers to better remove the parts and install them according to the instructions. Take out all the parts and count them to make sure you don't have problems during the installation. Connect the bottom long bars and several attachments of the rack according to the instructions. And don't forget to put the right bolts in each holes. Please remember the very important point. Do not tighten all the bolts of the installation in one go. You can tighten the bolts after all the parts installed. Next, install the 4 posts of the rack. It should be noted that the structure of the front and rear posts is different. So please pay attention to the identification during the installation process. Put the post on the bottom structure and target the right hole using the triangular fixed piece. After all the posts installed, do not rush to build the machine directly on top of the parts. The first will be installed on the left and right front posts of the pulley sliding sleeves. Then, put the upper frame with triangular fixed piece. When the cross frame put in the right place, you will see the whole structure of the rack and be proud of yourself that you made such incredible engineering. Loosen the bolts in this area and install the shock pad and guide rod with weight frame put right in the place, and then tighten the bolts. This is a crucial point that you can use this system with your preferred weights. Install the pull-up bar and the pulley in the sleeve. We come to the step of cable installation, which is the most difficult step from the feedback of our customers. Remove the parts at one end of the cable and follow the video to see each step through each hole and part, as any mistake might cause your machine to be used incorrectly. The cable A first passes through the top connected pulley. And down through the dynamic pulley. Then up through the top pulley. Then down through the pulley of the counterweight frame. And the left side is threaded in the same way as the right side. When threaded through the sleeve at the other end, it is attached to the part that was first dispatched. Cable B connected in the back of the special hole and install pulleys and cable B end in the back of the sleeve. after all the things were done, installed with our branded acrylic panels and bar catches, your home gym is taking shape. If you want to complete your home gym with more attachments, visit major.lutie.com and see our new arrivals.